Hey everyone! As you know, I've been saving up my YouTube money for a new phone, at least since the beginning of the year. It may be not just a little bit longer. But anyway, my old phone was almost 5 years old, so the battery health was down to 77% with the small battery because it's an iPhone SE. And then besides the battery, I also had less than 20% of my storage left. But like my main reason for it is because of the battery. And so after months of finally saving up enough money, I finally got the phone. And so I would like to say a special thanks to everyone who helped me get it by either just supporting my channel, by watching my videos or live streams. Like, even if you didn't donate. But I'd like to also say the biggest shout out goes to Safetar because he was a really big help with me getting it. And I'd like to thank whoever else donated to, like, at any point, even if it's just like a couple of dollars or so. And so, now that that's taken care of, please enjoy an unboxing video of my new iPhone 14, which also includes a video of me unboxing my phone case because I was not taking my phone anywhere until I had a case and a screen protector on it. And also, there is no sound with this unboxing except for the raw audio because I know people that watch unboxing videos like the sound in it, like the sound of it just being unboxed. Right. And thanks for watching it in advance, and make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe for more videos.